most contractors choose software the wrong way. They compare features instead of asking one simple question: which tool actually helps me win more jobs and deliver projects faster? Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, both Houzz Pro and Buildertrend are powerful, but they solve completely different problems. In this video, you'll learn exactly how they compare, where each one wins, and which one is actually right for your contracting business. Let's start with Houzz Pro. Houzz Pro is built for contractors who depend heavily on leads, marketing, and client communication. A contractor like Alex can use it to capture online inquiries, send professional proposals, and manage the client journey from first contact to project completion. Now here's where it gets interesting. Houzz Pro is strongest at the front end of your business. That means getting clients and closing deals faster. But here's the problem. Once projects become complex with multiple crews and heavy scheduling demands, Houzz Pro can start to feel limited in deep project execution. Now let's look at Buildertrend. Buildertrend is designed for full project management. A contractor like Jake can manage schedules, budgets, daily logs, change orders, and subcontractor coordination all in one system. This is where Buildertrend really shines. It is built for controlling the entire construction lifecycle, not just the sales process. But there is a trade-off. Buildertrend is not focused on lead generation in the same way. You will not get the same marketing and sales funnel tools that Houzz Pro offers. So now we reach the real comparison. Houzz Pro wins if your biggest challenge is getting more clients and presenting your business professionally. It helps you convert leads into paying jobs. Buildertrend wins if your biggest challenge is managing active construction projects efficiently once the work begins. Now here's the key insight most contractors miss. These tools are not direct competitors in the traditional sense. They are optimized for different stages of your business workflow. One focuses on winning the job. The other focuses on running the job. So which one should you choose? If you are a remodeler, designer, or small contractor focused on residential clients, Houzz Pro will likely give you faster results in sales and communication. If you are managing multiple crews, large builds, or complex timelines, Buildertrend will give you more control and structure in execution. The biggest mistake contractors make is trying to force one tool to handle everything. That usually leads to frustration and unused features. So the takeaway is simple. Choose Houzz Pro if you want better leads and client experience. Choose Buildertrend if you want stronger project execution and control. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more construction software comparisons like this.